Hey everybody, this is your girl Stephanie Renee, and I'm back with new scenery, a new look, and a new experiment for you guys. As the title shows, we're trying out the ORS Unleashed Color Blast Coloring Wax. So I decided to go with 3 colors. I wanted to do a purple, a blue, and a green, but I went everywhere looking for this green that they had online. They didn't have it in any store, and I'm kind of impatient, so I was like, hey, I'll just get the gold and the blue and mix them together and make green. Yeah, right? I don't want to make this intro too long because I'm super excited. I want to try these colors out. I want to see what it looks like. So as you can see, I have the Bombshell Gold. Probably can't see it, but it's the Bombshell Gold, Badicious Blue. It's a nice, really nice blue. So I hear that when you put it in your hair, it shows up pretty vibrant, but then when it dries, it gets a little darker. So I figured I would go with the lightest blues and the lightest colors. Last but not least is the Dragon Fruit. Very pretty color. I'm going for kind of a galaxy hair look. I hear that it's supposed to define your curls. That's what everybody else says. I don't have like a really strong curl pattern. If you look at my hair, like it's just crinkly from me taking out the braids. So we'll see what it does to my hair, but let's get to it because I'm excited. I've never done this before and I'm just like, yay. I can't wait. Let's get to it. This is the results of the color wax. I do enjoy the color. I enjoy the definition that it's giving my curls. They're a little, you know, crunchy, but it doesn't bother me any. The only bad thing about this is that it flakes. It flakes so bad. Like, I don't even know if you probably see it on me, but this stuff flakes. If they could just fix the formula or something so that it doesn't flake as much, this would be great. And I'm going to place a video of me when I first finished it and I was letting it dry. Once I let it dry overnight, it does lose its vibrancy, but it still has a nice bit of color, as you can see. I put it in my 2 little buns because that's just the style I like personally. Yeah, that's all I have to say. You know, it was a fun process. It was something fun to do. It was something different. I kind of can't wait to wash this out of my hair because I'm leaving flakes all over the house and that's not cute. Please leave comments. Let me know if anybody knows how to combat the flaking. Please share because I would love to do this again. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and come back for more videos, please. I would love to see you, and